Still on judicial matters, but now in the nation's capital, the Federal High Court sitting in Abuja has adjourned to the 5th of October to enable the Nigerian Immigration Service appear in the fundamental rights enforcement suit filed against it by former Governor of Rivers State, Peter Odili. Although processes have been filed and served on the respondent, they failed to make an appearance at the resumed sitting. Judiciary correspondent Celestine Aria reports.
Peter Odili, Deputy Governor of Rivers State between 1992 and 1993, and a two-term substantive Governor of Rivers State between 1999 and 2007, is the husband of Justice Mary Peter Odili of the Nigerian Supreme Court. He has dragged the Nigerian Immigration Service and its Comptroller General before the Federal High Court Abuja, challenging the seizure of his passport at the Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport in Abuja for undisclosed reasons. In an 8-paragraph affidavit he personally deposed to, the former governor claimed that his passport was seized from him upon his arrival to Nigeria from the United Kingdom, where he had gone for his medicals. Mr. Odili averred that on his arrival, his traveling documents were checked and given back to him. While awaiting his luggage, an immigration official again demanded for his passport on grounds of carrying out a routine check. He complied, but the document was withheld and has not since been returned to him. He claims to be a senior citizen of Nigeria, law-abiding, and has not done anything to warrant the seizure of his passport. He prayed the court to compel the two respondents to release his passport to him and order a perpetual injunction against the respondents from further harassing, embarrassing, intimidating, or interfering with his fundamental rights to freedom of movement. The former governor also demanded a written apology for the embarrassment caused him by the immigration. But in a counter-affidavit, the Immigration Service claims Mr. Odili's passport was seized because he is on the watch list of the EFCC. The affidavit deposed to by Ekwe Ernest of the Legal Department of the Immigration Service made this assertion. Presiding Judge Justice Eyang Eko held that since the matter is coming up for the first time and the respondents are absent from court, the matter is adjourned to 5th of October.
Who thinks that it cannot go on with it? And secondly, the respondents were not in court. And so hearing notice has been issued and will be coming back on the 5th of October for hearing. All processes, all, without exception. We're just going to adopt, and maybe 10, 15 minutes will be done.
Still at the Federal High Court, the former Publicity Secretary of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, Olisa Mitu, appeared in the courtroom of Justice Obiara Egwatu for arraignment. Although the arraignment could not go on as Justice Egwatu was on unofficial duty at the instance of the CJ, the registrar of the courts asked parties to pick a new date. However, counsel to the prosecutor noted that the case ought not have been brought up today as the judgment delivered by the Court of Appeal, which led to the freedom of Mr. Mitu, is still be challenged at the Supreme Court. Celestine Aria, TVC News, Abuja.